We are studying words. We have two words here, a compound noun, I believe. We're looking for a word with an R and the H, where the R comes before the H. Okay? And we have the word car horn. C-A-R-H-O-R-N. Car horn. Okay? And you can see right here, the R comes before the H. Car horn. Now, this is also, if you capitalize the R and keep the small h, you also have the chemical symbol for the element rhodium. Capital R-H-O-D-I-U-M. If you capitalize the R with a small h. Okay, but if you're going to use it as a word, a good word, two words to put together will be car horn. You see the R here, you see the H right there. All right? Remember, if you capitalize the R and the small h, you will have a chemical symbol for rhodium. Here we go right here. See? Capital R and the H. C-A, capital R-H-O-R-N. Okay, for car horn. All right? Have a good day. Over and out. Bye-bye.